This morning on The Blend, we are joined by attorney Katrina Hofstetter, and we're talking about estate plans, which, are confusing for people when you think about an estate plan. So how can people understand the difference between an estate plan and a will and a trust?
It's definitely confusing. It can also be very overwhelming for people.
Yeah.
Many people will say, I don't think I have enough assets to justify having a trust.
Right.
And I've also heard people say, well, I have a will. I don't have to worry about probate, so I'm good. And both of those statements are just incorrect. When you think about wills and trusts, they are very similar legal documents. They are going to contain the same types of information and provisions, information about you and your family, maybe information about somebody that you want to disinherit. And then they both appoint people to take over and be in charge. A will has a personal representative, a trust has a successor trustee, and then obviously beneficiaries. But that's really where the similarities end with those documents. A will doesn't have power outside of probate. It has to go through that probate administration process, whereas a trust has power all on its own, and that's how you can avoid going through probate court.
So how do people decide which is best, or is it really, do you need them all?
You actually do need both, but that's a longer conversation. But I really like to talk to clients about their concerns and their goals. If one of those goals is, I want to avoid probate at all costs, you probably want to strongly consider a trust.
Yeah.
If you have a will, you still can avoid probate, but you're really limited. You've got to have beneficiary designations on all of your assets, and then you have to be really diligent. If your life changes, you have to update all of the beneficiary designations.
Yeah.
I like to ask clients some different questions to kind of flesh out some of those concerns and goals. Do you have minor children? Do you maybe have special needs beneficiaries, or maybe somebody that you want to disinherit? Do you have a cottage up north? Do you have a rental property, some other type of a business? And then do you want to leave anything to charity? So if you answer yes to any of those questions, often a trust is going to be the better option.
And once you decide what you want to do, why can't you just do it yourself, or should you do it yourself?
Not surprisingly, I'm going to be
I know
biased.
the answer to that.
I'm going to be biased on that. I never recommend, the
Right.
DIY will or trust.
Yeah.
Right.
Unfortunately, there are a lot of options out there. You've got websites and different resources for the low cost or free options available, but those can often result in additional hearings and fees.
Yeah.
Cornerstone Legal. We've got your information on the screen if people would like more information. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't DIY.